bags are packed, are you ready to go?
We love camping.
This time tomorrow we'll be on the road.
It's really our time to connect as a family.
Riding with you in the sunnier days. I wouldn't want it any other way.
We always laugh a lot.
Taking the good with the ups and downs.
Somehow it brings out the best in us.
I wanna see how the world turns round.
It gives the kids an opportunity to discover the wonders of nature.
In the deep blue sea.
I love seeing that wild side.
Home is with you wherever that may be.
You can enjoy the space without feeling cramped.
Home is with you wherever that may be.
For me, there's no better holiday.
My life is made up of experiences, and camping brings me closer to what makes me feel alive. It's about being free. Getting away with my friends without any hassle or fuss. My tent is so compact, being able to travel around with it means I can stay where I like. Camping has no rules. It takes me to places that nothing else will. These are my experiences. This is my life.
What do I love about the mountains? I love the air. I love the stillness. I love being able to hear my footsteps as I walk. When trekking, having the right gear is key, and this tent really performs for me. It's so light I can carry it all day, and the double reef keeps me and my kit dry. I feel ready for anything. Being surrounded by nature reminds me what's important in life. Makes me feel connected again. Life's an adventure,